咱台湾的钱啊，差不多一张，
一缸啊，
一张300来块，差不多。无啦，不是啦，你对囡仔囝出世吼，甲饲到一公后吼，成年啦。
应该够小拍，安尼讲来讲去。
Hello.
How old are they?
How old?
This one, they are all made. The only female is this one.
Oh,
The fair ones. ¿Cuánto ya tiene? We have 6 years.
6 years.
Oh. Yeah. January.
They have 10 years.
10 years.
January from the baby to grow up. How long?
1 year.
1 year. Okay. And after you share, and
The next time we must wait 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, do they every day to eat this?
For this one, yes, it's for show, but the other one is
I mean
after.
the food.
Yeah. We give
Usually eat the grass.
we leave only this one. The other one is all the time outside.
Why they fight to each other?
Sorry.
Why they fight to each other?
Because this one is to show you. The other one live always after. When we need, we take the horse and the dog, and we go to looking for to bring here. We bring here only one time in summer to do the sheep sharing demonstration.
So do you keep those sheep inside?
Inside?
Only this one now because it's spring.
Yeah, it's.
But in summer
they
we
should
left
be
outside.
cold.
Yes, we left one night here. Tomorrow they go
Oh,
outside.
when they get cold.
Yes.
So just one night.
Yes.
The one with the horn is a different species.
It's merinos.
Merino.
Merinos wood.
Merino wool.
Yeah.
And how about the one without the horn? What
The
kind?
other corridor. Corridor. It's from Spain. It's very good the wool and the meat. And the land they go up very quickly. So we can eat.
And the merino is
Only for wool.
Only for the wool.
Yes, because the small the land are very smaller and they take many time to grow.
So that's the one with the horn.
Yeah, but the land the fine
系啊，弄羹羹啊。唔知会寒无？变安尼啊？
来想一下面。
You wash it or?
we don't wash